Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up another Allure beauty box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So for those of you who don't know, Allure Beauty Box is a $15 subscription. If you've never signed up for Allure Beauty, they do have a $10 box that you can get $5 off your first box, so that first box would be $10. And I'll have all the information on my blog or in the comment section below so you guys can check that out. But yes, Allure Beauty Box has been one of my favorite beauty boxes. So let's get into the box. So this is what it looks like every month. And for me, it's actually one of the better subscription boxes. For me, it's outweighing Ipsy. So I don't know about you guys. Let me know what you guys have been thinking about Allure Beauty Box these last couple of months. I've always loved it. So this is what it looks like when you open up the box. It always gives you like a pamphlet with the items that are in your bag, maybe who's on the front. I know this month they were collaborating with Anastasia Beverly Hills, so that's who's in the cover. And then it gives you like a description of the items that are in your bag or your box. So it always has like tissue paper here. So this is cool. So I already see some things I'm excited about. All right, so we're gonna start with the very first item here. So here I have a Christopher Robin. This is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. So that is what that looks like there. Let me see if I can get more information on this one. Okay, so this is it says Christopher Robin cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. Anybody else think of like Winnie the Pooh for Christopher Robin? Maybe that's not an intention, but that's what that is. Okay, so here it says this is $53 in Sephora. So that's super cool that we get this. Okay, so it uses salt crystals and a conditioning paste that rids the scalp of dead skin and product buildup so your hair is fuller, more vibrant. Okay, so cool. This is actually for your hair. I didn't really know that. All right, so yeah, it says $53. So that is very expensive. So I'm definitely excited to try that. I didn't realize that was for you because it said cleansing scrubs. I thought that was for your face. I just assumed. Okay, so we will definitely use that. This I'm actually excited about because I just finished the little one that I got in my Ipsy. So this right here is, let me see if you guys can see that better. There you go. This is from First Aid Beauty, and this is Fab Coconut Skin Moisturizer Priming Moisturizer. I literally just finished up my container. So this one is for this full size product. This is $28. And guys, if you go to firstaidbeauty.com and you enter Allure at checkout, you'll get 15% off of a single product. So this says here the coconut water infuses skin with amino acids, enzymes, and antioxidants to plump and hydrate, while quinoa protein constructs a protective barrier on the skin and blend minerals promotes overall skin health. I love this so far, so I'm definitely excited. Got a full-size product of that one, so definitely happy about that. And then the next item we have, oh, it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills herself. So this is a clear brow gel. So that is what that looks like there. So let me see. Where is this? Okay, so this is what the full-size product would look like there. And if you were buying the full-size products, that's $22. So I don't believe this is the full-size product. I mean, I could be wrong. I would have to look at the ounces just to see this one. And I'll look it up and I'll have all the information for all the products in my blog so you guys can check that out. This is 2.5 milliliters, so 0.085 fluid ounces. So I'm not too sure if that's the full-size product, but again, like I said, the full-size product is $22. And if you went to AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com and you entered ABX Allure at checkout, you get 25% off of a single product. So you guys know this is clear brow gel, so that's cool because sometimes you get clear brow gel and it may not match because they're subscriptions, so that's super clear, so that makes sense. And then the next item we have here is Anastasia Beverly Hills again. So wow, definitely a good collab with this one. This is liquid lips in the color Rouge. So this is definitely a full size product. And this one would be $20. So just off of the items that we have here, it's way beyond the cost that you would have paid. So this is what it looks like here. And then if you go to, let me see if I can get you guys a coupon code. If you go to her website, it's $20. And again, if you use ABX Allure at checkout, you'll get 25% off. So let me see if we can get like a color here. So this last color, I just did a couple things, but a couple videos. So this last color would be it, and that's actually perfect. As you can see, I usually wear light makeup, so I don't go dark crazy, but this is cool for like a holiday party, or if you're going out at night, this is perfect. So definitely not mad about that. And then the last but not least, this is actually what I'm super excited about. We were getting a palette. So that's what that looks like there. And we rarely get any palettes inside of Allure. So let me see if I can give you guys some information on their palette. Now this palette is actually really $40. So I am definitely pumped to see. It's really pretty. Look at the packaging on that. So that's what that looks like there. And then this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Moon Child Glow Kit. So this is really pretty. I have 0 items of Anastasia Beverly Hills, so that is what that looks like there. And then, like I said, this is $40. And again, if you use ABX Allure at checkout, you'll get 20% off. So this is a glow kit that's a highlighter. So actually, let us try a couple colors and do some swatches here so you guys can take a look. They're really pretty. So I'm gonna darken them up because I know the light throws things off a bit. So we're gonna do these colors here. So we have Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. So these are these 3 that I swatched, and you guys can see those there. there you go, you guys can see those there. So those are really pretty, especially as highlighters. As you can see, I've done a couple videos, so I'm definitely excited to try this one out for sure. Okay, so let us do a recap on all these products just to see if this box was worth it. I definitely would say it is. Okay, so the first thing we have here is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We have the Moon Child Glow Kit. And then we have her liquid liner. We have that in Rouge. And then we have the clear brow brush. And then we have this hair scalp cleanser, which is cool because I've never actually used the cleanser before. And then we have from First Aid Beauty, we have the primer. So that is everything in that box. So what did you guys think? Did you guys get anything similar to this? Did you guys get Allure this month? Definitely, excuse me, let me know in the comments section below. I say this month was really worth it. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys. Oh, and just to add, make sure that you're subscribed, because in the new year, we're definitely gonna start giveaways, because it's gonna be a year as I have had subscriptions on my channel. So as I start getting duplicates, and I do have a bag to the side, we're gonna start giving giveaways so that you guys can receive things that I know for sure I won't be using, or if I have duplicates. So with that being said, you guys enjoy your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.